Hi friends! Can you help me solve this puzzle? It's a bit tricky. Some of the animals are upside down, some of them are on the side, and I need your help. We've got all the puzzle pieces here, so let's do it. We can do it one by one. We'll start with this one. What is this animal called? That is a turtle. Now, where here can we see anything that looks like a turtle? Here? No. Oh, here. Let's put it there. Yes, excellent. Now, look at this next piece. What's this one called? That's a blue bird, or we could even call it a parrot. And I've got a feeling I see it here, but it's turned like this. Let's try. All right, we're doing so well. Let's get this pink one. What's this one called? Yeah, it's a bunny rabbit. And what is the bunny rabbit holding? Yeah, a carrot. Yum, yum. Now, I've got a feeling this one's going to be a bit tricky. So, can you help me and see where there might be a bunny? Oh, there he is, but upside down. I told you this puzzle was going to be a bit tricky. Okay, next piece. Let's get this one. Now, this is grey in colour. And do you know what it's called? It's got a very long name and sometimes people shorten it. So its name is Rhinoceros. But some people call it a rhino. And does it go here? No. Here? No. Oh, I know, here. But it's upside down. Wow, that was tricky. Okay, let's do this one. It's a black and white one. What's this animal called? It's a zebra. Yay! Now we can see the stripes on the zebra here. Can you see stripes anywhere here that we could possibly match? We're looking for stripes. We can see stripes here, but that's not it. I think it's this one. Yay! Oh, we are doing so well. All right, what about this guy? It's green and it goes chomp chomp. And it's called a crocodile. Now I can already see where it goes. But can you see where it goes? It's around this area here. Yay! Oh, this puzzle is coming together so well. Now, what colour is this animal? What colour? Orange, yes. And what animal is it? It goes roar, and it's got stripes. A tiger, yay! Now, where do you think the tiger goes? Here? No. Here? No. Oh, here! Wow, right there. Now, look at this one. Wow! This is a big one. This is called an elephant. They're found in Africa and Asia, and most other continents too in the zoo. Look at that. Where is there a big enough space for this elephant to go? It could be here, but it doesn't fit. It could be here, but it doesn't fit there either. What about here? Yay! Oh, we're doing so well. We've only got a few pieces left. Let's get this one. What is this one called? Wow! This one has got a very, very long name. And and it can also be shortened. So the very long name is called hippopotamus. But for short, people call a hippo. And the hippo goes right there. Yay! Oh, look at this one. What colour is this one? This is a bright yellow lion. Hey, what sound does a lion make? Come on, nice and loud. What sound does a lion make? Roar! Now, tell me where here do you think the lion goes? Yeah, goes right there. Wow. Okay, we've got two left. This one is called monkey, and this one is called giraffe. And guess what? They live next to each other in the puzzle. Wow, yay! Thank you so much, friends, for helping me. We did it! Give yourself a very big clap for that one. Thank you so much for helping me solve the puzzle, and I hope that you'll come back and join me to solve another one soon.